Okay, so now we know quite a few notes. We know a lot of different notes. So what I want us to do is use a tuner exercise and do some long tones. Long tones, although not the most fun of exercises, are something that's going to allow you to listen to your sound, make sure you're sounding awesome, and practice some techniques. For example, getting your intonation or tuning spot on, and also increasing the amount of vibrato practice that you do. So I think in your little practice session that you're doing hopefully every day, you should be doing sort of 5 minutes of this roughly, sort of 2 to 5 minutes depending on what you feel like that day, but definitely include it into your practice because it's very, very important. So what you'll see on screen now is the tuner. Remember we did that video on how to use this before. Needle goes to the right, you're a little bit sharp. Needle goes to the left, then you're a little bit flat. If you're playing with any other instruments, you need to really be in tune. You need to be in tune with yourself when you're playing solo, and you need to be in tune with everybody else when you're playing together. Otherwise it just sounds horrible, it really does. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a G, and I just want to hold it on for a while. Literally, let's say, think about 8 beats. Let's aim for 8 beats at the moment. I'm going to keep it on for 8 beats, and I'm going to try and keep it in the middle, in tune the whole time. Ready? G. 3, 4. Okay? Good, just like that. So try and keep it as in tune as you can. If you go a little bit sharp, just adjust while you're clicking your fingers and doing this exercise. It seems to be a little bit trickier, but try and hold a note for as long as you can. So can you get to 8 seconds, 10 seconds? How long can you go for? Can you go up to 20 seconds and hold a nice, strong, supported sound? So what I want to do is let's walk up the notes that we know so far. So B, A, G, F, E, and D. We're going to do all of those notes and just hold them on. See if you know them in tune. So just think about a 4 count and then move on to the next note. Ready? 3, 4. Breathe when you need to. Just like that, okay? Brilliant. Next thing to do is to add some vibrato to your notes. So hopefully you've been practicing your vibrato by now as you've been working through the different lessons in this course. So get your tuner up and let's try some vibrato. So what we'll do is we'll do a straight note, and then we'll do some vibrato to a 2 count. So a 1 and ya 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 for 4 beats. So straight for 4 beats, and then ya 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 for 4 beats. Do use a tuner on this a metronome on this exercise, guys. Get a metronome going as well. It's really useful, especially if it's get your app, get your smartphone or whatever, plug your headphones in, stick that in so you've got a nice count. Otherwise keep it internal, that's not a problem as well. Let's do it then. So I'll just demonstrate this over 3 notes. Then I'll do G, A, and B, but I want just to demonstrate how this goes. So straight, vibrato, and we'll do it 4 times. So straight, vibrato, next note. Straight 4 beats, vibrato 4 beats. You'll get it. Let's do it together. Ready? 3, 4. So a nice steady vibrato there, do you see what I mean? So, and also if you notice as I'm doing my vibrato, I'm not allowing the needle to move at all. I'm not allowing it to flatten the note. I want to stay in tune even when I'm changing the feel or the structure of that note when I'm doing vibrato. Okay, on to A, 3, 4. And so on, so you can move up there. What you can also do is increase the intensity of the vibrato like you've been doing before, so maybe do it in 3s. Ya 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 ya. Get a little bit more speed going on in that vibrato. Let's try that. On an A. 3, 4. and so on. Then you can do it in 4s. So I'm not allowing my jaw to drop too far that it's going to take the notes out of tune. So get your tuner handy, have a go at doing this exercise along with the tuner, and I promise this is going to make you sound really, really good. It's worth spending 5 minutes a day on. Alright, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.